Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. First, confirm your keyboard has dedicated volume keys or an FN layer. Press volume up/down and mute to see if Windows reacts. If not, open sound settings via the speaker icon to verify output device. Once done, install or update your keyboard driver and check the manufacturer utility. Many keys require that software. Make sure any FN lock is toggled. These steps unlock immediate control and prevent chasing phantom problems before you map. Next, decide whether to use built-in shortcuts or map keys manually. If your keyboard supports media keys, learn the vendor shortcuts and test them. If not, install Auto Hotkey to bind any key combination to send volume up or send volume down. Write concise scripts and save them as awk. Then place a shortcut in the startup folder or register the script with Task Scheduler so it launches on login. This gives reliable, repeatable control and preserves volume behavior across reboots. Finally, verify everything. Open Volume Mixer to confirm per application levels and that your preferred output is the default device. Make final tweaks to Auto Hotkey timings or vendor utility polling intervals so presses feel responsive. If you want a safe ceiling, enable a software limiter or set max volume in the utility. If keys still misbehave, reinstall the audio driver, disable other hotkey utilities that may intercept media keys, and reboot. This usually clears conflicts and restores keyboard volume control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.